All right, geometry, getting into section 8.6, and 8.6 is all about vectors. Vectors are something that are definitely going to come up in your future math careers, definitely in high school, definitely in advanced math if you continue on. But vectors are things that describe the motion of objects, and we often use vectors to describe or to represent that motion. And so a vector is a quantity that has both length / magnitude and direction, or direction and magnitude / length. So as we can see in any of these vectors here, we've got a certain direction that it's going, and then we've got a length that it travels. So just like if I were to walk anywhere, I would spin around, choose a direction, and then my magnitude or length would be how far I walk in this direction. So those are the two things that we're going to need to know or need to quantify for vectors. And then another way that we talk about vectors is in component form. Component form relays the horizontal and vertical pieces of the vector. So just like with ordered pairs, component form is going to be enclosed by these enclosed by these parentheses, but they're pointy, and this represents that it's a component form vector and not an ordered pair. But similarly to ordered pairs, we still have the amount traveled in the x direction first, and then the amount traveled in the y direction. So, to put this into context, the component form of CD over here, we see that CD travels 2 units to the right, so that would be a positive 2. We're writing component form for line segment vector CD, or not, yeah, ray CD, vector CD, whatever you want to call it. And then our vertical piece of this vector is going to be 3 units upward. So that's going to be positive. And so our component form of the vector CD is, in this notation, 2, 3, because it moved positive 2 and positive 3 horizontally and vertically, respectively. So we'll get into the next examples of this real quick. I just wanted to give you an explanation of what vectors are, how we'll be seeing them, and how we'll be referring to them.